Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since I have done a video, but I wanted to catch you up on a couple of things. First off, when we did our trip to Wichita last fall, one of the things we really disliked was the couch that I had built. The couch was plenty comfortable. The problem was that it sit the wrong direction, and so Paula was not really looking forward, and we did have that one incident where someone hit their brakes really hard in front of us, and so we had to stop real suddenly. She kind of jerked the wrong direction, and so we wanted to address that. So one of the things I did is we are going to replace those with some captain's chairs. So that will be happening real soon. I also want to take you on a little bit of a tour of some of the upgrades we've done and some of the work that's happened on Prudence. So let's go take a look. So these are our new captain's chairs. They do recline. They have a nice little footrest, and they will be bolted to the floor, and the seat belt will be attached to them. Okay. So we also did an upgrade to our battery system. The three lead acid batteries that I had purchased at Walmart and been using have been replaced with the two lithium iron phosphate batteries that I built. So each one of those are 150 amp hour 12 volt batteries. The plan is to eventually expand those and add two more, and then eventually down the road continue adding to that and actually convert these from 12 volt system to a 24 volt system. I also upgraded the cables. I had 19 feet of 1/0 welding wire, and so that is what I started replacing cables with, and I will continue doing more of that as I go, but we've got a few of them done at least. So inside the bus, under the bed storage area, we have added struts to make it easier to lift the bed area and gain access to the storage totes underneath. The one issue I did run into, since I had built this area specific to the size of these totes, the struts themselves actually stick in about an inch, and so I can't currently get both totes across the back there. I'm actually going to have to notch the totes a little bit. There's plenty of room along the edge to do that, so those will all fit in. So up on top of the bus here is probably where we have made the biggest change, and as we look towards the back of the bus, we can see that we have completed the solar panel install. We now have all 12 panels up here on top installed and wired. They are in series and parallel, so they are 24 volt and 600 watts. So I now feel like I've got enough power to run a residential refrigerator. The next step will be to expand the batteries, as I mentioned, and then The idea will be down the road to be able to power a mini split unit for heating and cooling completely off the solar. So the other realization we had was that getting around in Prudence is difficult, and so we knew we wanted some kind of extra or pull behind vehicle. We explored the possibility of a motorcycle. I know on the couple of trips we have taken so far, what we did was actually rent a car when we got to our location. And that works fine as long as you know where you're going to go and you're only going to that place. But if you're going to make several stops on a longer trip, you're going to want more flexibility. And so what we chose to do, since neither of our vehicles currently can be flat-towed, is to purchase a car-tow dolly. So we got this over the weekend. The car-tow dolly will allow us to pull our vehicle behind us, and so we will always have another option when we get to wherever we're going. Okay, so those are the things that have been going on. Right now I am getting ready to work on the ceiling in the bedroom and getting the walls finished there, and then we're going to work our way forward. I also have purchased a new camera. We're using that for this. So this is actually the first video I've had a chance to shoot. So you can look for a review of this camera probably 2 or 3 videos from now, after I've got a chance to play with it and see how it works. But that's a little bit of a catch-up on what's going on. I wanted to thank you for watching, and please subscribe and click that bell so you can get notifications when new videos come out. I am going to try to get some more videos coming out on a regular basis. And remember, travel, explore, and live life to its fullest.